guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Brooke, and if you're a new subscriber, I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. It means so much to me. I know I have like 200 and something subscribers now, and I'm super excited about that. I know to a lot of people that's not a lot, but like it means a lot to me to get any support that I can receive. So I'm super excited about it. If I look washed out in this video, I think I have my ring light too close, but if I back it up, then it's just doesn't look good. I don't know what to do. Would that help? I don't know. I know I can change the camera settings to like change the ISO and stuff, but the effort that takes right now is just not in me. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a peppermint mocha. I know it's almost the end of December and you've probably had like 30,000 Starbucks peppermint mochas if you like them, but today's the day where that stops because I'm going to show you how to make it at home and a healthier version of it, so you don't drink like 800 calories when you're just having an iced peppermint latte or something, because shit is sugary and it has a lot of calories when you get it from like Starbucks. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys what you're going to need first things first. So you're going to need some peppermint extract. Mine is like the Watkins peppermint extract. I just got it at Target. You can probably get any peppermint extract. It doesn't really matter. The ingredients are peppermint and alcohol. Peppermint oil and alcohol. So it's like vanilla extract, but it's peppermint. You know what I'm saying? Obviously you understand what I'm saying. Next thing you're going to need is maple syrup or your sweetener of choice. I always use maple syrup. It's just what I do. You're going to want to use a liquid sweetener though, because we're going to make our own kind of like mocha sauce to add into the coffee. So it's just going to like incorporate better if you use a liquid sweetener like maple syrup, or if you have like a coffee syrup, like a vanilla syrup or something like that, you can use that too. And then you're going to need some cacao powder. I know my bag is crusty dusty, okay? I got this at Costco, and when you open it and you try and close it, cacao powder goes everywhere, alright? Everywhere. So I'm not dirty. It's a messy substance. Substance, like it's alcohol. But anyways, you're gonna need cacao powder. You can use regular cocoa powder, but like cacao powder is just like healthier. It has antioxidants and all that shiz. If you don't care about that, then just get cocoa powder. It's fine. And then last thing you're gonna need is some heavy cream. Like I said in like 15 of my other videos, if you are dairy-free, don't turn away. You can literally use any dairy-free substitute, you know? You know what I'm saying? So there's plenty out there. Pick your substitute of choice. Your almond, nut-based, oat-based substitute is fine. Oh, I just lifted the table. So you're going to need this stuff, and then you're also going to need coffee, obviously. I'm going to be making ice. I will eat, bitch, you don't eat ice. Do you see my cute tree in the background? I tried to make it cute. Anyways, I will drink an iced coffee in the middle of a freaking hurricane, bitch. I'm not getting a hot coffee. It's just not happening. Sorry. So, with that being said, if you guys are interested in learning how to make a healthier peppermint mocha, then just keep watching. So, if you saw the glasses in the background, it's because this is what we're going to be using. So, first things first is we are going to make a mocha syrup with the peppermint and the maple syrup. You're going to take a spoonful of cacao powder and you're going to put it into a bowl, and then you're going to take a couple drops, and I am not kidding when I say a couple drops, of the peppermint extract, or else your peppermint mocha is going to taste like you were drinking Vicks, and we don't want that. So like that much. Like, do you see how little that was? I mean, I spilled most of it on the table, but look. Do you see how little that was? Like 3 drops. And you can mix it into your cacao powder. But what's going to really help you mix it in is going to be the maple syrup or the liquid sweetener that you put in. So next you're going to take your maple syrup or your liquid sweetener. You can use agave or whatever you have, or you can make a simple syrup. 1, 2. About 2 spoons of maple syrup or liquid sweetener. You get the gist, okay? And now you're just gonna mix this, and it's kind of tedious, but just mix it. Okay. So I scooted it in closer so you could like really see. Do you see how it's like a saucy, thick consistency? You're just gonna keep stirring it until all the lumps are out. You're gonna have your sauce and you're just going to put it to the side because you don't need it right this second. Now you're going to take your heavy cream in here. That's on preference, okay? I like a lot of heavy cream. Don't judge me. Put it into there, okay? Now, you're going to froth this, but not right this second. Right now, you're just going to set it to the side. Okay, so you have your ice. Now you're going to go back to your bowl, and you're going to pour the coffee into your bowl. If you have hot coffee, pour the hot coffee. If you have iced coffee, pour the iced coffee. And you're going to mix it in. So once you have your coffee mixed in, you're going to take your ice, pour it in there. She has a little lumps, a couple lumps, but that's alright, it's just the cacao powder. I mean, if you want to be picky about it, then like fix it, but like I don't really care that much. You're going to take your cream and you're going to froth it with a hand frother so she's nice and thick. Now I'm gonna shake this up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Going to take this and I feel like maybe scoot that over a little. Take a straw. Yeah, so beautiful. Delicious. Now listen, if you watch this video and you go buy a Starbucks Peppermint Mocha, I am disappointed in you. Truly. And I know that all of my drinks have like the foam on top, but how can you resist? It's just so good. It's like getting cold foam at Starbucks. It's just bomb. It's the icing on the cake. If you want to add a little agave or like maple syrup into the heavy cream when you make the foam, do it. Because it would be that much better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope that you make this and enjoy it if you do. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you again if you're a new subscriber or if you are currently watching this video and you are not a subscriber. I would totally appreciate it if you subscribed. Leave a comment down below if you have any video ideas or recommendations or things that you want to see me record. I would totally appreciate it, and thank you guys again. I hope you have a safe Christmas if I don't post before then, and stay safe, wear your masks, distance yourselves, and have a great day, evening, whatever it is where you are. Thank you guys so much.